before we hop into this video, comment, like, and subscribe.
Brush right here first, from the back. Once you come from the back, you hit that next side, which will be right here. After this side, hit the next side. You come right here, jump up right here. My hair may look poofy, but I just put water in it. So come right here, clear the top. Repeat it one more time, and then after this, I'm gonna speed up the video. After I'm done with that, I hit the crown like this. Light stroke. And then, okay, so I'm gonna repeat it for you one more time. So you're gonna do the same thing you did on this side, on the other side of your head. So you go 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we went from right here. Next angle will be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could go in a little bit more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm repeating the last step with the crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next angle right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so since y'all got that, I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side, just gonna speed up the video. Alright, let's get it.